Hi everyone, in today's video I'm going to explain to you how to unsuspend X account. So basically, if you go to more here and then go to settings and privacy, you're gonna see that you have this option to deactivate your account. So if you click on this, basically you're gonna have up to 30 days in order to restore your account. So all you have to do is simply log in back using your username or email address or phone number and your password, and in this way you can basically get back your account. But keep in mind that if it's been more than 30 days, you're gonna lose the account, so you cannot get it back. But as I says, if it's up to 30 days, you are gonna be able to get it back by simply logging in using your credentials and your old password. So basically that's all you have to do. I really hope you found this video helpful. Don't forget to like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.